Reading an Excel file in Python using pandas. I'm trying to read an Excel file this way, which throws an error that says 2 arguments expected. I don't know what the second argument is, and also what I am trying to achieve here is to convert an Excel file to a data frame. Am I doing it the right way? Or is there any other way to do this using pandas?
Close. First you call Excel file, but then you call the .parse method and pass it the sheet name. What you're doing is calling the method which lives on the class itself, rather than the instance, which is okay, although not very idiomatic, but if you're doing that you would also need to pass the sheet name.
This is much simple and easy way. Check out documentation full details. Future warning, the sheet name keyword is deprecated for newer pandas versions. Use sheet_name instead.
Thought I should add here, that if you want to access rows or columns to loop through them, you do this. Edit. The methods I call I in a row I are deprecated now. You can use sheet1.illic column I to get the ith col and sheet1.illic I column to get the ith row.
I think this should satisfy your need.
If you want to see more, please consider